In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to draw a cobra step by step. For a more detailed breakdown of this process, including still images that you can follow along with, be sure to follow the link in the description below or visit howtodrawstuff.com. Begin your drawing by focusing on the hood and the head area of the snake. I used a photo reference for this drawing. You're welcome to follow along with this one or find a photo reference of your own. The hood portion of the cobra is a shape that's similar to a stretched diamond shape with a rounded bottom. The head fits in the top portion of this shape. In the next step of the drawing, we can draw the body of the snake. Be sure to let the body look natural by having it wrap around itself. Be careful and try to keep the body of the cobra consistent in width until you get to the tail portion of the snake. Now we'll begin to add some of the details on the cobra. Add a couple of evil snake eyes and draw the ribs that go down the center of the snake. You can also add a line for the mouth part that can be seen in this view. Next, we can add the scales and patterns on the cobra's body. Notice that the scales are larger and more pronounced on the head of the snake. The patterns on the hood can vary from cobra to cobra, so feel free to be creative here. You can indicate the scales on the body by placing groups of scales here and there around the body. Now you have enough information in your drawing to finish the drawing of the cobra. You may choose to go over your lines with ink or another dark drawing medium. You can also erase any lines that you no longer need to complete the drawing. And that's it. That's how easy it is to draw a cobra step by step.